How to translate subtitles in NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged in with your account to access the image editing tools. Once you are on the website, click on Start Editing. Here you will see two options, Image Edit and Text to Image. To translate subtitles, select the Image Edit option. Upload the image that already contains the subtitle you want to translate. After uploading, enter a prompt describing how you want to change the subtitle to your preferred language. Once your prompt is ready, click on the Generate Now button. After the AI processes your request, your output image with the translated subtitle will appear. Download the image and you can then use it in your video or share it directly. Now you know how to translate subtitles using NanoBanana.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.